All right, so now we're going to look at what we do to add and subtract improper fractions and mixed numbers. So for improper fractions, it's pretty simple. So let's start there. You've already learned how to add and subtract fractions with like and unlike denominators. So when you are adding or subtracting improper fractions, here are some steps for you to follow. Number 1, find a common denominator if they don't already have one. If the denominators are same, no big deal, but if you need to, find a common denominator. 2, add or subtract the numbers in the numerator and put the answer above the denominator. Add or subtract numerators. Place above the denominator. All right, simplify the answers if needed. And then make sure that you change any improper fractions to a mixed number. All right, so let's look at an example of that. All right, so we're going to look at, let's look at two that already have the same denominator. Let's look at 7/6 plus 3/6. Okay, or since we're doing improper, let's do 13/6. So 7/6 plus 13/6. 7/6 plus 13/6, all we're going to do is we're going to do our numerators above our denominator. So we're going to add 7 plus 3, or 7 plus 13. 7 plus 13 is 20, and it would come out as 20/6. The suggestion is to go ahead and simplify the answers first. So I'm going to look for the common factors between 20 and 6. So when I look at the factors of 20, I know 1 times 20 is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. I can't do 3, but I can do 4 times 5 is 20. And then it begins to repeat. So I'm going to list my factors in order from least to greatest. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Then I'm going to do the same thing for 6. I know that 1 times 6 is 6, and I know that 2 times 3 is 6, and then I begin to repeat. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 6. The greatest common factor between 20 and 6 is 2. So I'm going to divide 20/6 by 2 halves. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now I have simplified. I still have an improper fraction, but it's a simplified improper fraction. Now I can actually go in and do my division. Remember that this is the same as 10 divided by 3. So I'm going to write 10 divided by 3. And I'm going to go ahead and finish out turning this into a mixed number. The closest I can get to 10 without going over is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So I have a remainder of 1 with a denominator of 3. So 3 1/3 is my answer. So again, this adds more steps to what we're already doing. However, you should know the steps because we've kind of walked through them. First, we find a common denominator. Then we add or subtract the numerators. Once we add or subtract the numerators, we simplify as needed. So this was step 1. Step 2. Step 3. And step 4. All right, so that's adding improper fractions with like denominators.